Sky launch startup issues. 1. Restart your PC. Completely close No Man's Sky and Steam. Restart your PC. Launch the game again after Windows loads. 2. Verify game files. Open Steam and go to Library. Right-click No Man's Sky, Properties, Installed Files. Select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the process to finish and launch the game again. 3. Update your graphics driver. Install the latest compatible NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics driver. Restart Windows after the driver installation. Try launching No Man's Sky again. 4. Run Steam as administrator. Close Steam completely. Right-click the Steam shortcut. Select Run as administrator. Launch No Man's Sky from your library. 5. Disable Steam overlay. Open Steam, Library, No Man's Sky Properties. Find the Steam overlay option. Disable the overlay temporarily. Restart the game and test the launch. 6. Remove conflicting mods. Temporarily disable or remove No Man's Sky mods. Check whether the game launches normally without them. Update outdated mods before reinstalling them. Number 7. Reset graphics settings. If the game previously worked but stopped launching after changing graphics settings, reset the game's configuration. Remove or rename the relevant configuration file so No Man's Sky can create fresh settings. Launch the game and configure graphics again. 8. Close background applications. Close unnecessary overlays and monitoring applications. Temporarily disable recording, RGB, performance monitoring, or other software that hooks into games. Launch No Man's Sky again. 9. Check Windows updates. Open Windows Update. Install available system updates. Restart your PC. Try launching No Man's Sky after Windows finishes updating. Number 10. Reinstall No Man's Sky. Backup important saves and configuration files. Uninstall No Man's Sky through Steam. Restart your PC. Install the game again and test it without mods or custom configurations first.